Hi friends, Lenora Lostaunau here from Self-Love Holistic Health Coaching. I just wanted to let you know that this weekend I am hosting a love languages seminar on Meetup, and I would love for you to join me. So I hope you had a beautiful Valentine's Day. But if you have some tweaks to work out, then this is a beautiful place to understand how you and your partner or any one of your loved ones really receive and give love. Lots of times I see with couples um, that both parties feel like they're giving into the relationship, but neither of them are happy. They're not getting what they need, and a lot of times this is not out of misintent or lack of love. It's because of a misunderstanding of how each of us receive and really feel loved. So if you want to understand what your love language is and how to apply it in your relationships, not only your love relationships, but your